Travel strollers are very easy to use and offer a lot of comfort and convenience for little ones on the go. Most travel strollers have unique features. They're not going to replace your super plush designer brand stroller, but they'll fold up into a compact size to be able to take on an airplane or fit in the trunk of your car. On vacation, it's a lot of fun, but when you're bringing small kids along, you have to plan and be prepared with the right gear. Most questions parents ask a lot is, what's the best type of travel stroller? Well, we've narrowed down the 5 best travel strollers that are lightweight and compact in design to take out the hassle of traveling with your kids. At number 1 on our list is the Baby Zen YOYO Black Stroller. This fantastic plush stroller is perfect for those traveling with kids or just walking in the park or strolling through the mall. It's your best buddy that'll help keep your baby safe while traveling in convenience. The Baby Zen stroller includes a bassinet, seat, and canopy. Weighing around 13 pounds, this lightweight compact stroller is very suitable for traveling. It's a very small thing that'll fit in the overhead compartments of airlines. It's also easily stored in the trunk of your car. The bassinet can be used for newborns, while the stroller can be utilized for up to 6 months and older. It has a baby parent-facing feature which is suitable for newborns. There's also an option for the baby to lie down flat on the stroller. It can easily be converted so your baby can sit up and explore the road. The extendable canopy has 6 stylish colors to choose from, with a large back pocket where you can store your valuables. The fabrics are all machine washable. The product spins at 360 degrees, making the fluid movements of the stroller. It also comes with a carrying strap, making it convenient for traveling. With all the features of the Baby Zen stroller, the ability to open and fold it using just one hand makes it stand out. For parents and guardians, their journey will be easy, especially if they're traveling alone. Also, it has a large basket at the bottom for storage. At number 2 on the list is the Baby JOGGER City Tour 2 Lightweight Ultra Compact Folding Travel Stroller. This 38.9-inch travel stroller, when assembled, can provide maximum comfort to your child from infancy to toddlerhood. It supports up to 45 pounds of weight with multiple recline positions for your child's convenience. This lightweight, ultra-compact folding stroller can make folding and unfolding a snap. It has a one-hand quick fold and auto-lock feature for easy storage and comes with a carry bag for trouble-free and convenient transportation. It has padded seats with added depth, which makes it suitable for newborns. It also features an adjustable calf support that provides maximum comfort to your child's growing legs and prevents straining his feet when he wants to take a nap. This travel stroller includes a UV 50+ sun canopy with a built-in extension for extra coverage in the sun. Its mesh peekaboo window makes your child's playtime fun, safe, and easy while in the sun. The Baby JOGGER travel stroller also comes with a convenient under-seat basket to give it room for diaper bags, toys, and mom and dad's extras. It features 3 riding positions and is car seat compatible. It allows you to transfer your baby from the stroller to the car without waking them up. The Baby JOGGER City Tour 2 is lightweight and reliable with rubber and locking front wheel swivels to keep it from veering off in an unexpected direction if it hits a bump in the road. So far, we've only covered 2 items, and they look and sound awesome. If you've picked the right travel stroller for your vacation, great, but if not, don't worry, we still have 3 items left. Make sure to stay tuned to find out what these strollers have in common. Before we do anything else, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can get more informative reviews like this. And now back to our list. At number 3 is the GB POCKIT Lightweight Stroller. It won the 2014 Guinness World Record as the smallest compact stroller, weighing only 10.5 pounds with dimensions of 12 by 14 by 7 inches. This stroller is an excellent choice for parents with a passion for travel. You can push the stroller directly to your seat on a plane, and it fits perfectly into overhead compartments. It's perfect for trips by train, plane, or simply running around the urban city. You can also put this in the corner of your house and it stands up on its own. It's designed with a simple 2-fold system. The stroller becomes a compact handbag-shaped package. It also has an automatic fold lock for security and storage. The front wheels are lockable for rough terrain, so if you're already on a smooth surface, you can simply unclick them and the wheels will do a full swivel. This item comes with an adjustable harness system that can be fastened and loosened easily, making sure your baby is comfortable and safe while sitting. This stroller is suitable for 6 months to approximately 4 years of age or 55 pounds maximum. It comes with a little sun cover that you can flip over, and the small basket underneath will hold up to 11 pounds, so you have plenty of room for your essentials. At number 4 on our list is the CHICCO Mini Bravo Lightweight Stroller. This stroller is lightweight and compact for on-the-go convenience. This has all the same great features of the regular CHICCO Bravo stroller, just on a smaller, lighter frame. Weighing just 18.5 pounds, it's not too heavy to carry around. Reduced weight means it's more compact. This lightweight stroller is a few inches shorter and narrower. The folded dimensions are 28 by 20 by 14, and its assembled dimensions are 35.8 by 20.8 by 41.5. Despite the reduction in size, the stroller has not lost any durability or strength. It can carry a child whose weight is up to 50 pounds. This feature makes the use of the stroller for a long time. The stroller has user-friendly touch points, has an easy-to-reach handle that can fold compactly when the stroller is in one hand. The stroller stands on its own when closed, thus making life easier for moms who always have their hands occupied. The folding handle doubles as a carry handle, making the stroller easy to transport between uses. Another great feature for parents and their comfort is the padded plush handle, 2 cup holders, and a storage area for essentials. The stroller also features a sleek front swivel wheels for smooth turns and precise maneuverability, and it has a toe-tap locking rear brakes for parking. For your child's comfort, this stroller from CHICCO has 3-position backrest and mesh vents on the canopy and the seat sides. The canopy is also adjustable. It has a padded 5-point harness. This CHICCO Mini Bravo lightweight stroller comes in stone, mulberry, chili, and pewter. We want to know what you think, so don't hesitate to write down your comments and suggestions below. And now let's check out our final product. Our last item is the MONBEBE Cube Compact Stroller Boho. Wanting to go out about with your kid will be much more comfortable and easier with the MONBEBE. MONBEBE ensures that your kid will be safe, comfortable, and feel a sense of enjoyment. The unique, chic, and smart design of this stroller will help you easily fit the item on top of an airplane's compartment. It's durable, can be easily folded, and has a good sense of style that will complement your everyday living. This item is best suited for babies from ages 6 months and above, up to 33 pounds. When it's assembled, the product weighs 12 pounds. It's available both in unisex with assembled product dimensions of 30 by 18 by 40 inches. The folded size is 19 by 18 by 7.8 inches. This compact stroller includes a removable faux leather front bar, 5-point harness with comfort pads, and a large basket for storage. This stroller is very affordable and will make your life easy, enjoyable, and comfortable. You can never go wrong with MONBEBE compact strollers, and with their quality, you'll surely be using this for a long time. Travel strollers offer everything you need when away from home. Travel gear like strollers should be affordable and convenient, and a must-have for any parent who likes to vacation with their family. If you're ready to get one of these for yourself, please click the link of the product of your choice and get a great deal delivered to your doorstep. If you want to see any other products reviewed, just leave it in the comment box and we'll give it our utmost attention to grant your request. Please don't forget to tap the bell icon to get notifications of our upcoming reviews, and join our growing community by clicking the subscribe button. We thank you all for watching, and check us out next time here at the ReviewTube channel.